How to change Minecraft armor texture. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, you're going to learn how to change your Minecraft armor textures using a custom resource pack. Whether you're customizing your world or just adding your personal touch, this guide is perfect for beginners. Let's get started. Step 1. Create your resource pack folder. First, go to your Minecraft folder. Press Windows and R and type this and hit enter. Now create a new folder. Name it something like custom armor pack. Step 2. Add the folder structure. Inside that folder, create this structure: assets, Minecraft, textures, and models, armor. This is where we will put our custom armor textures. Step 3. Add the pack mcmeta file. Go back to the world of your pack and create a file called pack.mcmeta. Paste this code inside. This tells Minecraft to read your pack. Step 4. Get the original armor textures. Now let's grab the default armor textures. Go to Minecraft version folder. Minecraft versions, your version, and jar. Open it with WinRAR or 7-zip and navigate it to assets, Minecraft, textures, models, armor. Copy the files like diamond layer or netherite layer into your pack. Edit your textures. Use any image editor like Photoshop, GIMP, or Paint to customize the textures however you like. Save the files as PNG with the same names. Step 6. Activate your pack. Open Minecraft, go to Options, Resource Packs, and select your custom pack. Load a world and check out your new armor textures. And that's it. Now you know how to create and apply custom armor textures in Minecraft using a resource pack. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.